Okay guys, I got a 2003 Lexus SC430. I'm going to show you how to replace the engine. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. So it's right behind the glove box. You do have to pull this down. So come in here. You're going to pop these out. So I turn these this way, and then you can pull it out. So this one's a little bit harder. Especially with one finger, one hand. Okay, got that one out. From there, this will just go down like that. Should give you enough space to remove this door right here. So this door, you just want to pop it out like that, and that gets you to your cabin air filter. Grab it right down here, pull it out. Your air filter is in this little box, and check this out. Look how much gunk is in that. So this one definitely needs to be replaced. You can try to clean it out, but I mean, when it's this bad, it's going to be kind of hard to do that. So we're just going to get a new one for this, and I'll link one in the description and the comments for you. So it's a lot cheaper than having a dealership do it, but yeah, that's how you do it. Hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.